Weeds pose a significant challenge for gardeners, particularly those who prefer to avoid chemical interventions in their gardening practices. Today, we present a valuable tool to assist you in combating this perennial nuisance. Weeds exhibit rapid growth and proliferation, encroaching upon the designated spaces meant for our cultivated plants. As they thrive and spread, they compete for essential resources such as nutrients, water, light, and physical space, crucial for the healthy development of our desired flora. This competition severely impedes the growth and progress of our plants. Furthermore, weeds can harbor a myriad of diseases and pests detrimental to our cultivated vegetation. Failure to address weed infestations can result in the unchecked proliferation of pests and diseases throughout the garden, leading to significant damage or even complete destruction of our crops. Before we delve into the details, I kindly request your support by subscribing to our channel, as your encouragement fuels our endeavors. With heartfelt appreciation, we extend our thanks to you. To concoct our solution, begin by combining 3 deciliters of vinegar with 1 liter of hot water. The potent concentration of vinegar serves to damage and desiccate the leaves of weeds, thwarting their growth. Moreover, vinegar, being a natural and benign herbicidal agent, offers a safe alternative to chemical herbicides in organic gardening practices. Next, introduce a tablespoon of mild, natural dishwashing detergent to the mixture. This addition enhances the efficacy of the vinegar, facilitating deeper penetration into the leaf structure of the weeds. Additionally, the detergent aids in breaking down the oily and protective coatings present on the weed leaves, thereby enhancing the vinegar's effectiveness. The final ingredient in our concoction is table salt, renowned for its ability to dehydrate plant cells, including those of weeds, leading ultimately to their desiccation and demise. The inclusion of salt further amplifies the weed-suppressing effect of our solution. However, exercise caution when employing salt in the garden, especially in close proximity to delicate vegetable seedlings. Salt has the potential to accumulate in the soil, creating unfavorable conditions for vegetable growth. Therefore, reserve the use of salt solely for the most stubborn weeds, far removed from your precious vegetables. It is imperative to note that applying the solution in full sunlight yields optimal results. Sunlight expedites the dehydration process, hastening the demise of targeted weeds. Dear friends, we trust that our guidance proves beneficial in your gardening endeavors. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us with your questions and feedback. Wherever you encounter our insights, we eagerly await your correspondence. Thank you immensely for your support and engagement.